Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Kayum from Q's Basic Cooking, and look at all the stuff I got over here. And we are going to make a nice big salad, and that's going to be our main course. This is very yummy and very healthy salad. Alrighty, I can promise you it's gonna be good. Okay, so let's start slicing the onions. I'm picking the white onion because I'm going to soak it in lemon juice and salt, and that will make it very yummy. Okay, so let's take that out and slice it as thinly as we can. You can use the cutting board if you want, but I'm not using it today. Okay, so you can cut it this way, the half circles, or you can cut it the lengthwise. Either way it's good, as long as it's thin. Okay, here we go with the salt. Half or 1 teaspoon of salt, because it's going to come down in the liquids anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I don't want the pits to go in, so I'm just going to hold it in the paper and squeeze it out. There you go. Okay, see, no pits, took them out. All right, so we are going to mix this good. All this salt has to be evenly distributed, and the lemon juice, and then we put it aside so it can release the liquids. This is very delicious onions. I cannot imagine my salad without it. So let's put that away. Okay, there we go. Let's start with celery. Okay, this is nice and fresh and washed already, so we can take the threads out. See the threads in the celery? Some people don't mind, but I don't like them. I don't want anything getting stuck in my teeth, so I always make sure I pull the threads out. So you didn't know about that, did you? Okay, so all threads are out. We're going to stack them up, biggest in the bottom, smallest on the top, so we can equally cut it. This way we can hold it firm. Just cut it into small equal pieces. There you go. Okay, there was one more thread hanging out. Few of the small soft leaves that are okay. All right, otherwise the bigger ones I use them in the soups. 1 can or 1.5 can of chickpeas, like 2 measuring cups of chickpeas. Let's see the tomato. I don't want any liquids going in my salad for now. Everything has to be nice and dry until I'm ready to serve it. I don't like mushy salad. It has to be crisp. Okay, tomato, same thing, equal sizes, nothing too big. You don't want big things coming in your bites, so okay, that's good. Carrots, there's a way of doing it, like go around the nail that's in the middle of the carrot. So take the sides, the one in the middle, the nail, we call it keel. It's not that pleasant to eat, so we just take the carrots from the sides and leave the center. Somebody wants to eat it good, but it's not necessary. All right, so let's take this side now, and the same thing, small pieces. All done. Okay, let's go with the lettuce first, because I don't want the apple to get dark. Okay, lettuce, cut it with the knife. Some people don't like to touch the lettuce with the knife. They break the pieces with their hands. That's okay too. So I'm going to do both. Let's cut it into same small pieces. Like I said, we don't want big chunky pieces in the salad. Okay. Okay, there you go. And the other way is this. Break it apart with your hands, whichever way you prefer. I don't mind either way. Okay, so since we have the white onion soaking over there, I'm just going to use the green part of this onion. I don't know, you call it spring onion or scallions or green onions. I like to cut it on an angle. It looks pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna leave for omelets, the white part. Look at that apple, how pretty it is. So with the tip of your knife, press it down, go around, and whoops, popped out. Okay. So now like we make slices of the apples, take a slice off and then cut it into small pieces. This is going to give us a nice sweet bite in our salad, and also the red part looks pretty. So that's a win-win. A little sweet crunch, and then you see pretty little red pieces in there. Alrighty, that's done. You can use coriander. I'm using parsley. I love parsley in my salads. I love coriander too, but if I have parsley, I will take parsley first, and there you go. So go with the knife. Don't want to bother too much. There you go. Just thinly sliced or thinly cut. Okay, so let's clean up over here. We are going to squeeze those onions. See the liquids? Okay, just squeeze them out. This onion now is very soft, tangy, and it's very yummy in the salad. I'm telling you, once you do this, you're not going back. Okay, so you can use gloves if you want. I'm doing that for home, so I don't really, Alrighty, so let's cover that up. See, I didn't toss the salad. I'm just going to leave it like that so it stays nice and crisp until I'm ready to serve it. So I will put that aside and make the dressing. This homemade dressing I'm making for the salad is very delicious and it's very simple. So you can use 4 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil depending on your need, how much you can tolerate or you are allowed. Same with the lemon juice. You can squeeze the whole lemon if you like it very tangy. If you're not too fan of it, just put half lemon juice in there and slice the garlic. Okay, and then just like little minced garlic. There you go. Very fine, nothing big chunky. And then half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt, and 1 to half teaspoon of chaat masala. Again, depending on your taste, mix. It will become a thick batter. It will become nice and thick. So that means everything came together. You can use a little white vinegar if you want. Okay, so let's toss the salad now because I'm ready to serve. I'm getting very hungry. Alrighty, see the chickpeas keep going down. Okay, let's pour our dressing over it. That's nice and yummy. Oh, yum. Some cottage cheese or feta cheese. It depends on your taste again. If you are allowed feta cheese because of the salt, I'm not going with it. I'm using cottage cheese, or you use feta cheese. Alrighty, so with a little bit of chicken, like 2 little drumsticks, I'm gonna fill up my plate with the salad. Like I said, that's healthy all the way. Okay, let's fill it up. Don't feel shy. Fill up your plate because we have to fill our tummies. If our appetite is not satisfied, we keep going back to food. So if you have a nice big plate of salad, some meat with it, let's throw in some cucumber sticks. I could have used the cucumber in the salad because I have so many other things, so I like to cut it like that too. It's nice and crisp. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. Yum.